Let's be honest, folks. When we think of gourmet food, the hot dog isn't exactly the first thing that comes to mind. The hot dog isn't exactly haute cuisine. It's more of a comfort food, a quick bite that satisfies a craving. It's a humble tube steak, shrouded in mystery and usually drowned in mustard. But there's more to this simple snack than meets the eye. But don't let that fool ya. There's a reason these savory sausages are a staple at backyard barbecues and ballpark outings alike. They bring people together, creating memories and moments of joy. Simplicity, my friends. Pure, unadulterated deliciousness, tucked into a bun. It's the kind of food that doesn't need to be fancy to be loved. Today, we're peeling back the cellophane to explore the fascinating journey of the hot dog, from factory floor to your eager fist. We'll uncover the secrets behind its creation and the craftsmanship that goes into every bite. Buckle up, food fans. It's going to be a tasty ride. Whether you're a hot dog aficionado or a casual consumer, this journey will give you a newfound appreciation for this iconic treat. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Hot dog ingredients aren't always glamorous. In fact, they might surprise you. We're talking about using every part of the animal, folks. A true testament to culinary ingenuity. From the snout to the tail, nothing goes to waste. Typically, it's a blend of pork and beef trimmings. These are the bits and pieces left over after the prime cuts have been taken. Think of it as a greatest hits compilation of different cuts, all ground down to a smooth consistency. This process ensures that every bite is uniform and flavorful. Don't wrinkle your nose just yet. This method of using various parts is not only efficient but also sustainable. This blend is what gives the hot dog its signature flavor and texture. When cooked to perfection, it becomes a delicious treat enjoyed by millions. Picture this. Giant grinders churning away, transforming those meaty bits into a homogeneous paste. This ain't your grandma's meatloaf, people. This is industrial strength grinding, breaking down tough tissues and creating that signature hot dog texture. It's a bit like making sausage, but on a massive scale. The goal here is a smooth, consistent mixture, ready for the next stage of flavor infusion. Here's where the magic really happens. In this bustling factory, every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality. The ground meat embarks on a flavor adventure, mingling with a carefully calibrated blend of spices and seasonings. Each ingredient is chosen for its unique contribution to the overall taste. Salt, of course, is a must-have for both flavor and preservation. It enhances the natural flavors and ensures the product stays fresh longer. But then, we get to the good stuff. The spices are where the real magic happens. Paprika for a touch of smokiness, adding depth and a subtle heat that lingers on the palate. Maybe a hint of garlic, which brings a savory richness and a hint of warmth. A whisper of onion powder, adding a sweet and tangy undertone that complements the other spices perfectly. Each manufacturer has their own secret recipe, a unique blend that sets their product apart from the rest. A closely guarded testament to generations of hot dog mastery. These recipes are passed down, refined, and perfected over time, ensuring that every bite is a burst of flavor. Now that our meaty mixture is bursting with flavor, it's time to give it that iconic shape. Enter the casing. These days, most hot dogs use cellulose casings, which are basically edible tubes. They're filled with the meat mixture, then linked together, creating that classic hot dog silhouette. Think of it as a culinary sausage sleepover, all cozy and ready for the next step. Time to crank up the heat and get things sizzling. The linked sausages head to a giant smoker, where they're cooked to perfection, absorbing all the flavors. This is where the hot dog develops its signature snap and that irresistible smoky aroma, making it unique. It's a delicate dance of time and temperature, ensuring the hot dogs are cooked through without sacrificing their juicy tenderness. Fresh out of the smokehouse, our hot dogs are cooled, inspected, and prepped for their grand debut on supermarket shelves. They're vacuum sealed for freshness, labeled with their vital stats, like ingredients and expiration dates, and shipped off to a store near you. It's a logistical masterpiece, ensuring that those tasty tubes of meat arrive at your local grocery store ready for grilling, boiling, or whatever culinary adventure you have in mind. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.